how to draw the constant R circle, because next I will draw the constant reactance circles. Okay, constant reactance circles. Okay, then why the name of the circle is called constant R circle? அதாவது என்ன மீனிங்னா, you are on the circle, sir. Suppose R is equal to 0. You go anywhere on the circle, you go anywhere on the bigger circle, then what will not change? Your resistance will not change. What is the meaning of that one? You go anywhere on the circle, your resistance is 0. Your resistance is 0. Your resistance will not vary. That is normalized resistance. Then if you are on R is equal to 0.5 circle, you go anywhere on the circle, your reactance may vary. What your reactance may be anything, that will be decided by other factor. But once on the constant resistance circles, if you go anywhere on the circle circumference, your resistance value will not vary. That's why the resistance, these circles are called a constant resistance circle. Okay, when you move along the circumference of the circle, your resistance will not change. Your resistance will not change. But if you want to vary your resistance, where you have to go, sir? You have to go to another circle. Okay, if you want to really vary your resistance, you have to go to another circle. That is the idea. But if you are on one circle, in that one circle the resistance is constant. That's why these resistance are called a constant resistance circle. Constant resistance circle. Now how to draw the constant reactance circle? Okay, how to draw the constant reactance circle? Okay, now we'll draw the constant reactance circle. Okay, constant reactance circle, that is with respect to X, constant reactance circle. Then what is the range of X? Okay, if it is constant reactance, then this is 1 comma 1 by X, and radius is equal to 1 divided by mod X. Because you know that when you have Z, that is simply R plus JX. But if it is of inductive nature, X is positive. If it is of capacitive nature, then what will become, sir? X may become negative. Okay, you will get minus X. That's why you have to be very careful. If it is inductive, your X value is positive. If it is capacitive, your X value is negative. Okay, then, but let it be inductive or capacitive, the radius is constant. So the radius is constant. Okay, so from this formula, so then I will take some different value of X, and again please note down, this is also normalized with what, sir? Z naught. This is already normalized with the Z naught. But even if it is normalized, the X can be anything. Okay, the X, okay, the reactance value can be anything. Okay, so the reactance value, yes, can be anything. So first I'll put some realistic value. Say for example, X is equal to 1. What happens when X is equal to 1 comma 1? What is the radius? Radius is 1 only. Radius is 1 only. When X is equal to 2, what happens when X is equal to 2? 1 comma 0.5. What is the radius? Radius is 0.5. When again, what happens when X is equal to 0.5? When X is equal to 0.5, 1 comma 2, the radius is what? 2. The radius is 2. When X is equal to 0, when X is equal to 0, what is the center point? 1 comma infinite. 1 comma infinite. Then what is the radius? That is infinite. 1 comma infinite, and the radius is infinite. Okay, and when, and again, what happens if X is minus 1? If X is minus 1, and this is 1 comma minus 1, but the radius remains same. When X is equal to minus 2, okay, this is 1 comma minus 0.5, but the radius remains same. Radius remains same. Okay, when X is equal to minus 0.5, what happens? 1 comma minus 2, but the radius remains same. Okay, and X equal to minus 0 you cannot take. So now See, first, okay, what is a bigger radius circle I can draw? Here now there are two cases are possible. Either I can take this one, because here also radius is 1 and here also radius is 1, but here center point is 1 comma 1, whereas here center point is 1 comma minus 1. Now first we'll draw this. Okay, what happens if x is equal to 1? When x is equal to 1, you are getting center point as 1 comma 1 and r is equal to 1. First I will try to draw this. Okay. Okay, so first when I will write here, when x is equal to 1, what is the center point? 1 comma 1. The center point is 1 comma 1 and then radius is 1 comma 1. As somebody tell me where will be 1 comma 1? This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. 1 comma 1 inga irukka chance irukka? Anybody? Because this is 1 unit. Again in y direction, this is 1 unit. This is my center point now. Yes, sir. Is it possible? 1 comma 1 inga irukka possible irukka?
Short from right to top.
Idane, indha idam thane. Green color dot. Inga irundhu idu 1, inga irundhu idu 1. Appo common point idana varum. So this is the 1 comma 1 point. Idha varum. Okay, this is 1 comma 1 point. But what is my radius? My radius is 1. So with 1 as a radius, I have to draw the circle. I have to draw the circle. Let us see whether compass is there or not. I don't know. I think whether there will not be compass or arc. Okay. If it is not there, I have to draw it with my hand. Okay. Okay, I will draw. Now, see, if this is the center point, your radius is 1, you can draw one circle. But when this is 1 comma 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Definitely, whatever the circle that you are drawing, that will touch this point as well as this point, and also it will form other part of the circle. But what here important is, whatever the circle that you are drawing, the cross section is important. So only if you know this portion, that is enough. Okay, once if you know, you have to draw the circle like this. It goes and it completes like this. But this portion is important because it is making intersection with our constant R circle. So this circle is called constant reactance circle. X is equal to 1. I am not drawing the another portion of the circle. Similarly, what will happen if you take x is equal to minus 1? If you take x is equal to minus 1, this is 1 comma minus 1, then the radius is 1. Where will be 1 comma minus 1? This is 1, this is minus 1. So definitely here will be 1 comma minus 1. Okay, with the center and radius is 1. Once if you draw, the circle will go like this. So definitely this is x is equal to minus 1. This is x is equal to minus 1. Purida sir, anybody, any doubt is there? How I am drawing the constant reactance circle? Okay, because compass is not there, I am drawing myself.
Impedance, yes, sir. This one for impedance, sir.
Is x solringla?
X equal to 1 minus 1 solringa.
Sir, what is the meaning of that? See when z is equal to r plus jx, sir. Okay. Say for example, some case la 50 plus j 15 vara chance irukka sir, impedance. And the time la characteristic impedance 50 nu taranga. Appo neenga normalize panni enna eluduveenga? 1 plus j 1 eluduveenga. Adhaan sir varairum. So appo இந்த 1 na neenga enga mention பண்ணனும்? r is equal to 1 circle. இந்த 1 என்றது என்னது? r is equal to 1 circle. இந்த 1 என்றது என்னது? x is equal to 1. இதுல மூவ் ஆகணும். அப்போ இப்போ நான் இந்த பாயிண்ட மென்ஷன் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா ஸ்மித் சார்ட்ல r has to be 1, x has to be 1 after normalization. எப்பவுமே after normalization தான் பார்க்கணும். Then where I will denote the point? I will denote my point here because in this அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல தான் என்னது? r உம் 1, x உம் என்னது? 1. So like this I can point out any point on the Smith chart. புரியுதா? Any load impedance, any impedance I can point out in the Smith chart. That's the idea of the Smith chart, sir. You take it because Z equal to R Jx la, R can be anything, sir, from 0 to infinity. Similarly, X can also be anything from 0 to infinity, but negatively vara chance irukku because R minus Jx chance irukku. So R plus Jx varradhu ellame இந்த லைனுக்கு பேஸ் லைனுக்கு அபவ்ல மேப் ஆயிடும். R minus Jx வர்றது எல்லாமே இந்த லைனுக்கு பிலோ, ஓகே, லோயர் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த கிராஃப்ல மேப் ஆகும். ஓகே, இப்போ ஓரளவுக்கு புரியுதுங்களா? வாட் இஸ் R, வாட் இஸ் X? ஓகே, பிகாஸ் ஏன் இப்படி பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா சம்டைம் இது போல கூட வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. மேபி 100 பிளஸ் ஜே என்னன்னு தரலாம், 100 தரலாம். அப்போ உங்களுக்கு என்ன வரும்? நார்மலைஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 பிளஸ் ஜே 2 வரும். அப்போ உங்களுக்கு R equal to 2 எங்க வரும் தெரியணும், X is equal to 2 எங்க வரும் தெரியணும். ஸோ அது போல எந்த வெரைட்டி வேணாலும் வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. இப்படி கூட வரலாம். Z equal to 50 plus J 150. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியணும்? இதை நார்மலைஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1 வரும். இதை நார்மலைஸ் பண்ண என்ன வரணும்? 3 வரணும். அப்போ R equal to 1 சர்க்கிள் தெரியணும், X is equal to என்ன தெரியணும்? 3 சர்க்கிள் எங்க இருக்குன்னு தெரியணும். Then only you can point out your point. You can point out your point. Okay, so this is the idea of the Smith chart. Okay. Okay, now X is equal to 1 map பண்ணியாச்சு, X is equal to minus 1 map பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ what happens if X is 0.5? X வந்து 0.5 னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்? சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் வந்து 1,2, ரேடியஸ் வந்து 2. X is equal to 1.5. So 1 is here, 2 will be out of our screen. Y axis ல நீங்க 2 யூனிட் போணும், out of our screen. Okay, then அங்க இருந்து நீங்க you imagine you have to draw with the radius 2. You have to draw with the radius 2. So definitely you are going from here up to 2 unit upward. But once if you draw, definitely you will touch this point. But so what will happen once if you draw the circle like this for X is equal to 0.5, it will go something like this, some bigger circle. This is what, sir? X is equal to 0.5. Imagine பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஃப்ரீயா இருந்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு A3 ஷீட்டோ A4 ஷீட்டோ எடுத்து போட்டு பாருங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் X is equal to minus 0.5 எங்க வரும்? X is equal to minus 0.5 னா இது என்னது? 1, minus 2, இது வந்து என்னது? 2. அப்போ அப்படியே எங்க வரும்? சிமிலரா, இதுக்கு சிமிலரா இங்க வரும். இது வந்து என்னது? X is equal to minus 0.5. X is equal to minus 0.5. Now tell me X is equal to 2 na enga sir varum? Here it will come X is equal to 2. Because this is what? X is equal to 2. This is X is equal to minus 2. Okay, that what color that is? Yellow color. Yellow color is X is equal to what? 2. Yellow color is X is equal to 2. Okay, this is X is equal to 2 and this is X is equal to minus 2. Okay, now somebody tell me what will happen if it is infinite. Okay, see, when 0 what happens, and again infinite also you have to take, because if X is equal to infinite, what will happen here? If X is equal to infinite, 1, 0, 0. Okay, when X is equal to infinite, this is 1, 0 and 0. What is R is equal to infinite? Anybody? R is equal to infinite nal nada 1, 0, 0. X is equal to infinite nal nadu 1, 0, 0. And again, this is that position. So this position indicates what, sir? Very important. This position indicates R is equal to infinite and R is equal to, sorry, X is equal to infinite. This position indicates R is equal to infinite as well as the X is equal to infinite. Can I call this position as a open circuit? Because when I have Z equal to R plus Jx, if both are infinite, okay, if both are infinite, can I call this point as a open circuit point? This point is called what, sir? Open circuit point. Okay, open, because at that point R is also infinite, X is also infinite, open circuit point. Now what will happen if x is equal to 0? Anybody? If x is equal to 0, your center point is 1 comma infinite, your radius is infinite. Yes, sir. What will happen if the radius of the circle is infinite? Anybody?
End of circle.
You have a circle. If the radius of the circle is infinite, what will happen?
Short circuiting.
Short circuited. Radius has to be infinite. So, okay. So again, see, if x is equal to 0.5, you are getting here. Then if x is equal to 0.4, it will come here. If it is 0.2, it will come here. It will come here. Then finally, this line, this horizontal line, will denote x is equal to 0 line. Okay, this horizontal line is what, sir? X is equal to 0. Because இங்க பாருங்க, x is equal to 1 னா எங்க இருக்கு, 0.5 னா எங்க இருக்கு, அப்போ 0.2 னா இப்படி வந்திருக்கும், 0.1 னா இப்படி வந்திருக்கும். So finally, this is what x is equal to 0. Then if it goes in the negative, then again it goes here. This is negative form. Okay, this is negative. So this horizontal line, what is the name of the horizontal line? The another name for horizontal line is x is equal to 0 line. You move anywhere on this horizontal line where x is equal to 0. That is the meaning of that, sir. Okay, once if you move anywhere on this line, that line is called, in that line x is equal to 0. In that line x is equal to 0. Yes, if somebody tell me now I have z, okay, z is of generally r plus jx. Now I have my z which is equal to z naught, where I will denote these points are on the Smith chart. Anybody? I have a impedance. Sir, I have a impedance, sir. Impedance is r plus jx. That r I am that my r value is equal to z naught. This is 0. I am not worried about that one. This is 0. Finally, my z is equal to z naught, where I will denote this point on the Smith chart.
Constant resistance circle, sir.
Constant resistance. See, you are telling constant resistance, but why you are not worried about x is equal to 0? See, my r is equal to z naught, x is equal to 0.
Horizontally.
You cannot put it on constant resistance alone. Reactance is fixed. Reactance is 0 irukilla, sir.
Sir, center point.
Horizontally.
Enga fix பண்ணீங்க?
Sir, center point வந்து r is
Center
equal to
point.
1 and x is equal to 0.
How you are telling? R is equal to 1?
R is equal to 1 circle la cut பண்ணனும் sir.
Okay, madam. R is equal to 1. Why you are telling R is equal to 1?
Sir, நீங்க
why?
Not போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? Normalized impedance கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது
yes, that only I am expecting. Yes, okay. So z naught na direct எடுக்கக்கூடாது, normalized. What is the normalized? 1. So what is the normalized 1? Okay, so when r is equal to 1, okay, x is equal to 0. What is that point, sir? Anybody? See, this is x is equal to 0 line. So my point can be anywhere on the x is equal to 0 line. But where is my r is equal to 1? My r is equal to 1 is this circle. My r is equal to 1 is this circle. So when I have characteristic impedance, that will be denoted where, sir? On the center point of Smith chart. Where I will denote? On the center point of the Smith chart. When you have characteristic impedance value, it has to be denoted on the center point of the Smith chart. It has to be denoted on the center point of the Smith chart. Okay. Now I will draw one line here, one imaginary line like this. That line is something like I can call it as some, if it is x-axis, I can write it as x is equal to 1, but don't confuse with the capital X. Okay, this is some line. Once if you observe, all your center point of the reactance circle will come on this line. Okay, எப்படி வந்து resistance, constant resistance circle உடைய center point எல்லாமே எங்க சார் வந்தது? In between this value on the positive x-axis. Similarly, center point of all your reactance circle will come on this line that I have just now drawn with the red color. Okay, once if you imagine, see if you observe this, okay, see once, what is the observations are here? Constant reactance circle. This is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Everything is 1. That means what? it is coming on a line. X is same, Y can be anything. So your center point, okay, the reactance circle with a center point can be anywhere on this line, can be anywhere on this line. The center point of the reactance circles can be anywhere on this line. That is the another idea. Now I will write down the properties of this one. This line can also be called as k is equal to 1 line. K is equal to 1 line. Why this is k is equal to 1?
Open circuit.
Okay, we'll come to that later. Huh? Yes, sir. Anybody? What will happen, sir? If you are in this point, if you are in open circuit, what is the reflection coefficient?
1
Your reflection coefficient is
minus 1 or 1.
not -1, sir, +1. What is the reflection coefficient of open circuit?
1 sir, 1 sir.
Just please refer. Reflection coefficient of open circuit is always +1. Okay, so I can call it as this line as a k is equal to 1 line. Okay, k is equal to 1 line. Okay. Now I'll write down the properties of constant R circle and constant reactance circle. Okay. Properties of constant resistance circle. Constant R circle. Okay, all the circles are passing through 1, 0. All the circles are, all the constant R circle, all the circles are passing through 1, 0. இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் தான் சார் எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்பாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எதுவும் ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் இது உள்ள போய் சால்வ் பண்ணலாம் சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. Actually, with this Smith chart, you can solve single step matching problem, double step matching problem, and also you can solve once if you have given the load impedance, what is the input impedance, what is the input impedance anywhere on the line. எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணாலும் Smith chart வச்சு சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். பட் அதெல்லாம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம்ல வராது. They lost the properties of Smith chart. அதாவது உங்களுக்கு Smith chart பத்தி தெரியுதான்னு பார்ப்பாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். So all the circles are passing through 1, 0, 1, 0. பாருங்க, கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆர் சர்க்கிள் வந்து நான் வந்து என்ன கலர்ல வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன், பிளாக் கலர்ல வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். அது எல்லாமே கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் சர்க்கிள் எல்லாமே எது வழியா பாஸ் ஆகுது? This is the point of 1, 0, sir. This is the point of 1, 0. Okay, x axis is 1, y axis is 0. So எல்லா கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் சர்க்கிளும் எதுல டச் ஆகுது? 1, 0ல டச் ஆகுது. You take any constant R circle that will touch on 1, 0. அதான் சொல்றாங்க, all the circle pass through the 1, 0. Okay. And all the circles having center between, எங்க ஒவ்வொரு சர்க்கிளுக்குமே சென்டர் எங்க சார் இருக்கு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்க்கிளுடைய சென்டர் இது, அடுத்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு சென்டர் இது, அடுத்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு இது, அடுத்தது ஃபைனலா. ஸோ center point of the all the circles lies on the only positive x axis, that is in between 0, 0 and 1, 0. Okay, so center point of all the circle, center point of all circles, center point of all circles, okay, lies center point of all circle lies between 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Again, circles are neither concentric nor intersecting. Circles are neither concentric nor intersecting. Circles are neither concentric nor intersecting. Neither concentric nor intersecting. So these are all three properties of the constant R circle. Constant R circle. Okay, why the name constant? Why the name constant? Why constant? Because once if you move along the circle, the resistance will not vary. Once if you move along the circumference of the circle, okay, as you move along circumference of circle, then R is constant, then R is constant. That's why this is called as constant R circle. Next, what is the properties of constant X circles? Okay. Properties of constant X circles or constant reactance circles. Okay, all circle pass through 1, 0. First, we will verify that. See, these are all the circles. All circles pass through 1, 0. இந்த சர்க்கிளா இருந்தாலும் அதாவது ப்ளூ கலர்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க சார், ப்ளூ கலர் இது வந்து கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ரியாக்டன்ஸ், அதாவது எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுலாம் பாருங்க. ஸோ எக்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுலாம் இது எல்லாமே எது வழியாக தான் பாஸ் ஆகுது? 1, 0. And again, circles are having center on this line. The another name for this line is k is equal to 1 line, because at this point you will get the reflection coefficient as 1, then you can call it as a k is equal to 1 line. Okay, that particular line is called k is equal to 1 line, k is equal to 1 line. Okay, so circles having center at k is equal to 1 line, or otherwise that is something similar to small x is equal to 1. Don't confuse with the capital X. Capital X is used for reactance. Small x is used for like a coordinate system. Okay, so what I can write, all the circle pass through, all circles pass through pass through 1, 0, and circles, all circles having center, all circles having center at k is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 line. I'm not using the capital X, I'm using the small x. Please be careful. When in coordinate system, when x is equal to 1 means a line in a coordinate system. Okay, next. And what is the positive? Once if you observe the upper portion of this one, the upper portion consists of positive value of x. Okay, so positive value of x is 0.5, 1 or 2 like that. So if your impedance consists of positive reactance, then that will come above the base axis. Okay, the x-axis is the base axis, that will come in the upper portion of the circle. Okay, if your impedance consists of negative reactance like r minus jx, then that will come in the bottom portion, that will come in the bottom portion. Okay, so positive reactance. Okay, positive reactance means above horizontal axis, above horizontal axis, and then negative reactance. Negative reactance means below the horizontal axis. Below the horizontal axis. Below the horizontal axis. Then finally, what is Smith chart? Smith chart means, Smith chart, another definition for Smith chart is family of constant R circle and family of constant X circle. Okay, Smith chart means what? Family of constant R circle plus family of constant X circle. Constant X circle. Okay, these are all the sum of the properties of the Smith chart. Next, we'll observe some important properties of Smith chart. Okay. Once again, I'll introduce. Okay, so Okay. So this bigger circle is called r is equal to 0. This is r is equal to 0 and this is r is equal to 1. Okay, once if I draw a line like this, that is clearly x is equal to 1. This line is x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to 2. And please always remember this diagram. Okay, this diagram is very, very important, sir. At least you should remember this structure of this diagram. But once if you remember, you can draw further. Okay, if you draw the line like this, here x is less than 1. If you draw a line here, x is greater than 1. Or once if you draw the circle inside this, then r is greater than 1. Once if you draw the circle here, then r is in between 0 to 1. Okay, r is in, because when r is 0 here, when r is 1 here, then when r is more than 1, then you have to go inside. Like this, you have to remember. So this line is called, this horizontal line is called what, sir? X is equal to 0 line. Okay, but then what is this point, sir? This point is called, at this point exactly, r is 0. Okay, x is 0. Similarly, at this point exactly, r is infinite, x is infinite. So what it indicates, if you want to mention a short circuit when both are 0, that is something similar to short circuit. When you want to mention the short circuit, because your load can be anything, sometimes your load can be short also. When your load impedance is short circuit, or not necessarily to be the load impedance, if impedance is of short circuit nature, any impedance, then that has to be denoted here on the Smith chart, on the left side of the Smith chart. If the impedance is of open circuit, then it has to be denoted on the right side of the Smith chart. Okay, then when you have 1 plus j1, then it has to be denoted here, because here 1 plus j1. When it is 1 minus j1, okay, I think I written wrong. This is x is equal to 1. Okay, and I think this point you can written as 1 minus j1. This is rough idea. Now, somebody tell me, if you want to go from short circuit to open circuit, this is short circuit and this is open circuit. If you want to go from short circuit to open circuit, how long you have to travel? Short circuit to open circuit. See, think it as short means something like minimum. Okay, or otherwise I'll give one more idea. When you are having short circuit in a transmission line, what is the voltage nature, sir? Voltage is minimum or maximum?
Minimum.
Minimum, yeah. Voltage is minimum when you have short circuit. When you have open circuit, what is the voltage? Voltage is maximum. So if you want to go from V minimum to V maximum, what is the length, sir? In terms of lambda. If you want to go from V minimum to V maximum, what is the length?
L.
No, sir, not L.
Lambda by 4, sir.
Yes, lambda by 4. Okay, if you want to go from V minimum, refer பண்ணுங்க நேத்து notes. If you want to go from V minimum to V maximum, how long you have to travel? Lambda by 4. Similarly, if you want to go from V max to V minimum, again same distance, lambda by 4. Because V max ல இருந்து நீங்க இங்க வரனால எவ்வளவு travel பண்ணணும்? Again lambda by 4. Then tell me, what is the total circumference of the Smith chart? Bigger circle உடைய total length நாம? Anybody? One complete, see, இங்க இருந்து இங்க போறதுக்கு lambda by 2, இங்க இருந்து இங்க வரதுக்கு lambda by 2. Then one complete rotation, total movement on the Smith chart is lambda by 2. Total movement on the Smith chart, very important. Total movement on the Smith chart is what, sir? Lambda by 2. Total movement on Smith chart is equal to what, sir? Lambda by 2. Okay, lambda by 2. Now I have one question. Say for example, inga irukren sir nanu. Inga irukren. Now I am somewhere on the transmission line. Now if I move lambda by 2 distance, என்னுடைய point எங்க சார் மூவ் ஆயிருக்கும்? அங்கேயே இருக்குமா? After rotation, where it will be? See, now this is the transmission line, sir. I am somewhere on the transmission line here. I have some impedance. This X, I have some impedance. That impedance I have denoted here. What I am going to do, I am going to do lambda by 2 distance. Now what will be my impedance, whether this 2 is same or opposite? First, I am on a random point on the transmission line. Then I move lambda by 2 distance, whether my impedance will change or not.